Okay, so what we're doing now is getting our potatoes going here. And the last thing I'm going to throw on top after these potatoes get cooked on the grill here today is some squash that I've got cut up. And we're going to throw that right on top, and that'll steam on top of the potatoes. But first, let's get the potatoes going here.
Today we have live from Las Vegas, it's Chef Pete.
And that's how we go. We're getting it together today. And I've got some beautiful potatoes going here. Look at this. We're going to keep them cooking. And while these potatoes are cooking, I'm going to come over here, and I've got some chicken thighs, which I'm going to put right on the grill. I just kind of give them a little salt and a little bit of oregano and garlic powder. And we're going to get these beautiful chicken thighs going over here on the other side. Alrighty, well, we got potatoes going over there, chicken thighs going over here. Okay. And I put them, and I'm going to get a little more salt on them here. And I'm going to get some oregano on them here. Right, little oregano, 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 oregano. Okay. And a little more garlic powder, because I got garlic powder on the other side. And what I've done is I turned this grill so it's all up to searing, so we could cook things really well on our Breville grill here today. All right. Isn't that nice? Hear it? Everybody can hear it. I hope you can. All right.
Sizzle, sizzle.
Sizzle, sizzle. Okay, so then we have our potatoes going, and it looks like I've got a pretty good sizzle here. I think what I'm going to do is move these around a little bit. We're going to take and kind of flip them a little here. And we're going to just kind of mix them up a little. Everything is cooking really good. Remember, potatoes have starch, and they also have water in them, right? Potato starch, water. So there you go. Let's get these going here, and then I'm going to flip them. And we're going to flip them and flip them and flip them. There we go. And flip them. Oop, one fell down the chute. That's okay. All right. We're going to continue to cook these. They're going to be delicious, just the way they are. And let's take a look and see what's happening with our chicken thighs over here. Let me see. Oh, yeah, they're cooking nice. And you notice this is all non-stick, so what makes it nice is I don't have to do nothing here. It's cooking in its own fat. So leave a little bit of fat. These are skinless and boneless chicken thighs, so you can leave a little bit of fat here, and it helps to cook it and also to flavor it as you're going along here. You're flavoring everything, and it's nice to get flavored meat, okay? That's why I season the meat. Always season your meat once you get it on there and give it some flavor, okay? So he's cooking really well here. Let me take a look over here and see how we're doing. Oh, we're doing nice. And over here, nice. And over here, nice. Okay. We'll just sort of kind of move things around a little. There we go. And in a minute, we're going to flip these around and then flip them again. I'm going to flip them a couple of times throughout the process of cooking them. Chicken thighs don't take that long to do. And chicken breast goes much quicker, okay? But chicken thighs have a little more juicy fat to it, and I think you'll find that to be a little bit more, if you like to barbecue this way on the grill, and then put barbecue sauce. If not, you can put a little gravy with it. I'm going to put gravy with it today. So now I'm going to flip them over. They're starting to look really nice. Just flip them right over. There we go. And this side I already did it. We're going to cook some more here. Get them all cooked up. It doesn't take long to cook our thighs, right? Okay. So here we go. Our potatoes are looking good. And we're going to flip these over here and flip these here. Oh, righto. Yeah, we're getting there good today.
You don't want your potatoes too hot.
You want them hot, actually. We want them hot, Aunt. We want to cook them here.
Oh, we do.
That's why we're spinning them and flipping them and doing all kinds of stuff to get our potatoes going good.
I just don't want to touch that grill.
Oh, I wouldn't touch it. This is H-O-T, everybody, H-O-T. You can see the steam coming off. And this is pretty good because you're not using any fats or anything. I did spray a little olive oil on them just to give them a little flavor. And this is how nice it is. It's really quite nice, this grill, to do. And what you're seeing here is steam. There's no smoke coming off anywhere, even with a little bit of fat over here on our thighs. Oh, yeah, they're looking good, good, good.
It is interesting that it's cooking but not smoking.
Pretty good, huh? There we go. We're looking good here. Okay. So there we go. When we come back, we are going to continue on and put some sliced zucchini on top of our potatoes and steam it all together there. And I'm going to check our potatoes. Let me get my famous checking stick, if I can find where it is. And we'll see how our potatoes, and I cut these potatoes thin. Oh yeah, we're almost there. We're almost right there. And what I do is I stab the thicker ones, but I tried to make them all about the same. So there we go. Okay. I'm going to give these another flip. And when we come back, we'll show you how everything is getting together, okay? So this is Peter Carpitos with 2 flippers in each hand, 1 in each hand, out.